Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Sahdan Satria Adila. This time we learn passive transport. Passive transport is a type of transport of ion, molecules, and compounds that do not require energy to last through the plasma membrane. Passive transport can occur when there is the difference in concentration between two substance or solution. Kind of passive transport among others. Diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and osmosis. Diffusion. Diffusion is a flow event or there is a transfer of substance in the solvent from the high concentration to the low concentration part. The difference in concentration in the two solutions is called concentration gradient. Simple diffusion is the movement of molecules and ions across the membrane by directly penetrating the lipid layer. Diffusion rate is determined by the amount of substance, the velocity of kinetic motion of the material, the number and the parts in the membrane. An example of simple diffusion is the absorption of oxygen, O2, and the release of carbon dioxide, CO2, during cellular respiration. This is an example image of transferring high concentration to low concentration. The solvent is water. And the slot is yellow. And we can see here that there is a barrier, namely the semi-permeable membrane. And the salt move from high concentration to low concentration by passing through the semi-permeable membrane. Facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion is the movement of molecules and ions across the membrane via transmembrane transport protein. There are two types of transport protein, namely channel protein and carrier protein. Channel protein only provide a passage through which specific molecules or ion can cross the membrane. Protein channel can open and close due to chemical stimulation. Channel protein only provide a plus for specific molecules or ion to cross the membrane. Protein channel can open and close due to chemical stimulation. For example, when transmitter molecules can open protein channel in the nerve cell membrane so that Na plus ion can enter the cell. This is a picture of protein channel. So the slope the salt passes through the semi-permeable membrane, aided by protein channel. Carrier protein. Carrier proteins or transporter proteins are transmembrane proteins which aid the achievement of ions or molecule to be transferred into the cell. Each molecule or ion has a special transporter protein. For example, to pass a glucose molecule, a special transporter protein is needed to transfer glucose into cell. Transporter protein for glucose are found in skeletal cell, heart muscle, fat cells, and liver cell because these cells always need glucose to be converted into energy. This is an image of example of a carrier protein. So the sort of special protein will enter to the carrier protein and transfer it to the cell. So the sort or special protein will enter to the carrier protein and transfer it to the cell. Osmosis is the transfer of water or solvents from a low-level hypotonic solution to a high-level solution hypertonic through a semi-permeable membrane without the aid of energy. In osmosis, there are hypertonic solutions or solutions with high concentration of salt, hypotonic solution or solution with low concentration of salt, and isotonic solution are two solutions that have the same concentration. Osmosis will not occur if two solutions are equal in concentration. An example image of the transfer from low concentration to high concentration. The solvent is water, and the salt is iron. And we can see here that there is a barrier, namely the semi-permeable membrane. And the solvent move from low concentration to high concentration by passing through the semi-permeable membrane. Thank you, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.